Hi, welcome back to the channel. So, in this video, I'm going to talk to you about completing the square. I'm just trying to generalize what completing the square is because uh, several times we have done, let's say, conic sections, and for you to identify what conic section you are dealing with, let's say it's an ellipse, a circle, a parabola, sometimes you are given the general equation, then you are supposed to complete the square to come up with the standard equation so that you identify that conic section. Of course, that is when you don't want to use the discriminant test. So let's say you are given a quadratic. Okay, I'm going to generalize it in terms of a quadratic, that is ax squared plus bx plus c, like in this form. This is equals to 0. So honestly, I would care less what c is, no matter the magnitude, whether negative or positive. I want to focus my attention on the variable x there. Okay, and take note to say this can also be a y, more like it can be your ay squared plus by plus c is equals to 0. Regardless of what the variable is, we're still going to use the same steps to complete the square. So one thing that you should always ensure is that the variable that is squared needs to have a coefficient of 1. So what do? We are going to factor out our a. Okay, I'm saying factoring out because maybe there's something common between a and what, a and b. For example, if your a is a 2 and your b is 8, there's obviously something common between 2 and 8. But let's say if your a is a 3, then your b is a 5. There's nothing common here, but you can still work it out in a certain way that you're going to force the a on the outside, then you just remain with x squared, meaning uh, you're going to ensure that this has a coefficient of 1. So this will be a, then here you're going to say is x squared plus, without changing the meaning, this is going to be b over a x like this plus c is equals to 0. So what will remain on the inside, I can go ahead and complete the square. So I'll say a, then I'll say open bracket. I'll have to open another bracket there, those are parentheses. So that's going to be x, just as it is x there. You pick this sign. If the sign is negative, put a negative. If the sign is positive, put a positive. So this will be plus, then pick this b term, we call it a b term, then divide it by 2, more like multiplied by 1 over 2. This is just going to be b over 2a, then you put squared like this, minus this part always has a minus, then this expression here that you have, that value that you have, you're going to square it, so meaning to be open bracket b over 2a squared like that, and you close your bracket plus c is equals to 0. This right here is a format for completing the square for a quadratic, and that's basically how you work it out.